Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making wheat cassava chips, and the major ingredients I'm using here is fresh cassava. Fresh cassava is the major ingredients to use when making wheat cassava chips. The first thing we're going to do is to peel the cassava, guys. So we'll go ahead and peel the cassava till we are done peeling the cassava before we can move on. So guys, we are done peeling our cassava. We're going to turn it into a bowl and add some water. Wash it carefully so we won't have sand in our cassava flakes. This cassava flakes is also known as Edita Iwa. A very simple evening snacks to take. You can actually take this any other time of the day. It's simple to make, very satisfying, and it has lots of health benefits. It's a good source of energy, guys. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Also give this video a thumbs up if you find this content interesting. So I put it in a pot, add some water and boil. I didn't add anything to boil this cassava because you don't need to add anything, just water. Once you notice that crack in the middle, it shows that your cassava is well cooked. You don't need to cook it to be too soft. So guys, I turn it into a strainer and filter out the water. Pour cold water immediately to cut off the cooking process because I don't want my cassava to be so soft. I'll go ahead and slice the cassava to have my cassava chips, okay? This wheat cassava chips is very easy to make. You can enjoy it with coconuts. You can enjoy it with groundnuts. You can also enjoy it with pear. You can also enjoy it on its own, guys. So when slicing your cassava chips, cassava flakes, go ahead and remove that middle part first before you continue slicing. When you are slicing, ensure it's not too thick and not too thin, just the way I'm doing it. So it's that middle rope I'm removing because it doesn't really taste nice when eating the cassava flakes, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to drop a comment. Try this out and drop a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear from you guys. This cassava chips is one of the street food in Nigeria. you can have this in the street or any local market, guys. So let's do this at home, have fun doing this, try this out, and let me know what you think in the comment section. So that's the perfect slices. I go ahead and continue slicing my wheat cassava chips till I completely finish slicing it, guys. So I'm almost done slicing my cassava chips. You can actually do this with a cutting board, or you can do it with your hand carefully, like what I'm doing. I am more comfortable using my hands to slice it like the way I'm doing, guys. If you find this content interesting, please don't forget to hit that like button. Like this video so others can see it. I want to especially appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for always stopping by. If you are new to this channel, please join the family by clicking on that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video, guys. So I'm done slicing. Look at the perfect slices. So this is the way to preserve your wheat cassava chips. You put it inside a bowl, add some water. Every day you be turning the water, or you leave it in the refrigerator. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. I also paid mine with coconut. You can pair yours with coconut or any other snacks. Bye.